In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira to run your personal task management. Jira is often used by teams, but it can also be a really effective tool for managing your own workload, deadlines, and priorities in one place. If you want a simple system for keeping track of what needs to get done and what you've already finished, this setup works very well. To get started, open your personal project in Jira. If you don't already have one, create a new project first and make it your personal workspace. The idea here is to have one dedicated place where all of your personal tasks live, so you're not scattering reminders across different apps or notes. Once your project is ready, begin creating your tasks. Click Create, then make sure you select your personal project so the task is added to the right location. Add a clear task title that tells you exactly what the task is. For example, you might write something like Prepare Monthly Budget Report. In the description, add any helpful details, notes, or context you'll need later. This is useful because it saves you from having to remember everything on your own. When you're done, click Create to save the task. After that, organize your tasks using priorities. Open a task and set the priority level based on how urgent or important it is. In Jira, you can use levels like highest, high, medium, or low. This helps you quickly decide what to work on first, especially when you have multiple tasks competing for your attention. A good habit is to reserve the highest priorities for deadlines or critical items and use lower priorities for things that can wait. Next, add due dates to keep your schedule realistic and visible. Open a task, click Edit, and set a due date. Then save your changes. Due dates are helpful because they turn a simple to-do list into an actual plan. You can also review your deadlines from your project calendar, which makes it much easier to see what's coming up and avoid last-minute rushes. You can also use labels to keep things organized. Open a task and add labels such as work, personal, finance, or learning. Labels give you a quick way to group related tasks and make searching much easier later on. This is especially useful if your personal project includes different areas of your life. Finally, track your progress on your project board. Open the board and move tasks through the different statuses: to do, in progress, and done. As you start work, update the status, and when you finish something, move it to done. Keeping your board updated gives you a clear visual view of your progress and helps you stay motivated as tasks move forward.